Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Apple Card credit card number, expiration date, and security code on your iPhone. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone that's linked to your Apple Card. Once the Wallet app is open, tap on the Apple Card so it's selected. Next, tap the card information icon that looks like the numbers 1, 2, 3 at the top of the Wallet app. You may be asked to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Complete the verification to continue. After that, you'll see your full Apple Card details on the screen. This includes your credit card number, expiration date, security or CVV, and the name on the card. Since Apple Card numbers aren't printed on the physical card, this is the only place you can view your card information securely. And that's how you find your Apple Card credit card number, expiration date, and security code on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.